Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dian Saputra. I'm from 5BB class, English Department Major, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. Today I want to show the presentation about the types of variable. Here we'll be explaining about what a variable is, how the variable forms, variable examples, variable types, and all kinds of things about variable. What is the variable? A variable from Wikipedia is a special type of amount or quantity with an unknown value. And from shifar.org, a variable in research simply refers to a person, place, thing, or phenomenon what you are trying to measure in some way. The surface or the experiment can contain many kinds of questions. These questions are often called variable. There are some basic types of variable. It is important to understand the different types of variable because they can lead to different kinds of data and guide analysis. So here we have two types of variable. The first type is categoric and the second type is continuous. Categoric variable. As the name implies, a categorical variable is made up of categories. Typically, there are a set number of categories a participant can select from, and each category is distinct from the other. Familiar types of categorical variables are variables like ethnicity or marital status. A unique characteristic of many categorical variables, especially binary and nominal, is that the categories are not necessarily ordered in a meaningful way. A variable for ethnicity may be coded in the following way, like African American S1, Asian S2, Caucasian S3, Melayu S4, and etc. Which ethnicity gets assigned which number is arbitrary. So the numerical ordering of the variable doesn't provide information about ethnicity. The three types of categorical variable is binary, nominal, and ordinal. What is the binary variable? The next slide is explain about these three types categories of categorical variables. Binary variable. A simple version of a categorical variable is called a binary variable. This type of variable is two distinct, mutually exclusive choices, like true or false and yes or no. And this is the example. The question of the example is, do you like a banana? So the answer, of course, you can choices yes or no. And other question is, do you Indonesian people? And same like this question, the choices answer is yes or no. The next slide is explain about nominal variables. Nominal variables is a categorical variable that has more than two categories to select from, is called a nominal variable. The differences from binary variable is nominal variable have more than two categories. If binary variable just yes or no, Nominal variables describe more and choices answer. Like here is the example. How do you describe yourself? Select all that apply. The first choices is African American Indian, Asian Pacific, Hispanic or Latino, white. And if the answer not explain you can choose the other answer here. Next, this is the ordinal variable. Another version of a categorical variable is an ordinal variable, which has categories that can be put in a logical order. However, ordinal data do not tell us about the differences between categories. The differences between the categories could be unknown or inconsistent. For example, a participant might be asked to describe their income as low, medium, or high, while these categories can be ordered in a logical way. There is no determinate instrument between each. We know that height is more than medium, but we don't know by how much. This is the example of ordinal variables. The question is, what is your highest level of education completed? The choices is less than high school or high school diploma, some college, associate degree, bachelor degree, and etc. The next types of variable is the continuous variable. Continuous variable can take on any score or value within a measurement scale. In addition, the difference between each of the values has a real meaning. Familiar types of continuous variable are income, temperature, height, weight, and distance. So there are two main types of continuous variable. The first is interval variable and the second is ratio variable. The next slide is explain about interval and ratio variable. This is interval variable. The first type of continuous variable is the interval variable. A variable that can be ordered with a distance or level between each category that is equal and static. This is the example. The question is, what is the average daytime temperature in Fahrenheit during the summer in Tucson? So the choices answer is 99 degree, 100 degree, 101 degree, and etc. The answer choices has an interval of variable like 99 to 100 has a 1 interval degree, has a 1 degree interval. Next is a ratio variable. Another type of continuous variable is a ratio variable, which has one difference from an interval variable. The ratio between the scores provide information about the relation between responses. For example, if respondents were surveyed about their stress level on a scale of 0 to 10, a respondent with a stress level of 10 should have twice the stress experience as a respondent who selected a stress level of 5. A ratio variable needs to have a clear 0 point. Age, height, and weight are also good examples of ratio variable. Someone who is 6 tall is twice as tall as someone who is 3 tall. This is the example of a ratio variable. The question is, please select your child's weight, and the answer choice is 65 pounds, 70 pounds, 75 pounds, and others. So this is the summary from my presentation today. The variable has two types of variable. The first is categoric variable and the second is continuous variable. The categoric variables has three types. The first is binary variable, the second is nominal variable, and the third is ordinal variable. And the continuous variable has two types of variables. The first is interval variables and the second is ratio variables. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.